Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. We'll be talking about commercial real estate in Central and Eastern Europe. So good Friday morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. We're weekend ready to, it's been a long week, it's been a hard week. A lot of traveling, a lot of moving around, a lot of meeting retailers. Great to see them. Great to see that they're out looking for new locations at the moment as well. So I think 2022 looks like it's going to be a good year, even finishing up the rest of this year. More retailers are looking to get out there and do things. What I've noticed is quite a few of these web-born retailers also interested in getting bricks and mortar locations. A lot of discussions on e-commerce and really how to get the last mile situation sorted out faster and faster and get these items delivered either to a click and collect location, to some either shopping centers or retail parks, or almost anywhere now has a place to pick up your packages as well. So a lot on retail. Don't forget, we've got our CEE retail guide coming out for Mapic. If you've got any kind of if you got any retail opportunity, any retail locations where opportunities are available for retailers, let us know. We've got a great magazine coming out for Mapic. Anything in Central Eastern Europe, perfect. Russia. Also for our CEE Retail Awards, a lot of new sponsors, new retailers coming, a lot of new names that I hadn't seen before we'll talk about next week, and some new sponsors as well, which we'll get together with. So anyway, it's put in your calendar, January 27th, InterContinental Warsaw. If you haven't booked a table or a sponsorship package yet, let us know. We've also got our deal making during the day. So if you'd like to get a meeting table, a corporate meeting table for the deal making during the day, a lot of retailers coming for that. Anyway, we'll shoot off now to Winston for the final news of the week. We got a little break. You'll learn a little bit more about our retail awards. Then we'll hook up with Winston Norman, our editor and chief, and he'll give us the highlights for EuropaProperty.com. Enjoy the rest of the week. Stay safe, and great to see you all. Ladies and gentlemen, join us for the 14th Annual Europa Property CEE Retail Awards. With over 100 expansion directors attending and the most active owners of shopping centers, retail parks, and big box retail, and they're ready to do deals. This event is not to be missed. During the day, we have our retail marketplace, which focuses on deal-making retailer presentations and the CEE Retail Forum. Then in the evening, our big retail awards gala, which starts at 7 and finishes late into the evening.
Good morning and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. And here are the highlights from the EuropaProperty.com website for Friday morning. And today we'll start with CTP. And they've reported a 92% rise in profits for the first 9 months of 2021. It's estimated at 317 million euros compared with 165 million euros for the same period of 2020. The company's strong performance was driven by solid ongoing leasing take-up, rental growth and record development valuations. And according to Raymond Vos, he's the CEO of CTP, he says, since listing on Amsterdam's Euronext in March, we are positioned to materially exceed one of our key IPO business plans and now expect to hit 10 million square meters GLA by next year, 12 months earlier than originally planned. And Richard Wilkinson, the CFO of CTP, he states, the highlight for 2022 for CTP is clearly going to be the integration of Deutsche Industrie REIT into our portfolio and operations after the 800 million takeover announced in October. CTP's entry into the German market is being constructed on a portfolio that is ripe with value-add asset management and development potential. It brings strategic value and is being acquired at a price much lower than replacement cost, which will give us instant scale in Germany and provide a solid bridgehead between our core CE markets and new opportunities across Western Europe. Moving to Poland and staying in the logistics industry, and 7R started the construction of 2 facilities in the 7R Park Bydgoszcz. There's going to be 68,700 square meters of space, and the investment is already partially commercialized. Tenants already include Rolig Susk and Stokrotka. And according to Bartholomew Kravchicki, he says, our plans assume that by 2025, the portfolio of projects completed by 7R should exceed 4.5 million square metres. We are at present in Poland's largest warehouse markets and are currently expanding our business footprint with new locations. And according to JLL, the warehouse sector in Poland is rapidly developing, and in the first half of 2021, saw demand for this type of investment increase by 43% compared to the same period of 2020. The building in Bydgoszcz is constructed according to 7R's ecological building standards, which will be confirmed by BREEAM certification. Staying in Poland and moving to the residential sector, and Yaril has completed the first phase of Soho by Yaril and have now started the second phase, which is a 179 apartment building called Soho 16. It will be the first building of 4 additional buildings. Soho by Yaril is the largest residential investment in Yaril's history, and it will eventually lead to the creation of 900 flats and apartments across 10 new buildings. After the completion of the second stage, a linear park will be created in the centre of the complex. It will ultimately be surrounded by new residential buildings, service points, post-industrial monuments, revitalised in cooperation with the professional conservator and restorers. Staying in Warsaw, and Brown-Forman Polska, a company that produces premium spirits, has extended its lease agreement for 1,300 square metres in Immofinance's MyHive Park Postępu office building. The renegotiation process was represented by JLL. Our team is comfortable working in the very heart of Mokotów. MyHive Park Postępu offers a comfortable working environment and pro-ecological solutions, which are very important for us, explains Renata Frelek, office manager for Brown-Forman. And MyHive Park Postępu is an office complex comprising of 4 7-storey state-of-the-art buildings with a total lease area of 34,000 square metres. And finally for today, Glamco has delivered a unique attraction in the Warsaw unit building. At a height of almost 200 metres, a unique venue is opened called Skyfall Warsaw. It features a moving glass platform that guarantees an extreme experience for visitors. Skyfall is situated on the 46th floor of the Warsaw unit and has stunning panoramic views of Warsaw's bustling central business district. At the heart of the site is a quadruple glass floored platform at a height of almost 200 metres, which leans out of the building by 15 degrees, offering visitors a breathtaking experience never seen before in Europe. And according to Jerome van der Tulen, he's the managing director for Central and Eastern Europe at Glamco, he says, we strive to make the skyscrapers we build accessible to the inhabitants of Warsaw. During the popular museum night, we invited the people of Warsaw to our office, located on the 41st floor of the Warsaw Spire, and we were visited by thousands of people. This inspired the idea for Skyfall Warsaw, a place which would guarantee spectacular views and extreme experiences. Initially, Skyfall Warsaw will be available to companies and organisations, and it will be made available to individual customers in the first quarter of 2022. And those are the news headlines for today. For more news, please log in to the EuropaProperty.com website. Thank you very much and have a great weekend, and see you on Monday.
Click here to subscribe to the Coffee with Craig show, and don't forget to share it with your friends.